Hello everyone, it's Nady, and today we'll be testing out the Anastasia Dream Highlighter Palette. As you beautiful people know, this is about the product, not the people behind it. Any tiff you may have with them, please cast it away because this is a channel of positive energy. Okay? Thank you. So, I'm not gonna lie, I am very fucking excited today because I finally figured out the setting on my camera to make the screen to not go totally black whenever I bring something light onto the screen so we can actually see how pretty this is. Look at this holosexualness, like Christine, where you at? And of course, I'm excited to try this out too, I mean. But it has been a long ass time since we've tested out an Anastasia product, let alone an Anastasia glow palette on this channel, so I'm very stoked to have this. I think the only other glow kit of theirs that I have left is the Aurora palette, which I don't think I've even touched this, but look at how small this is in comparison, like damn! And I ain't a size queen, honey, but I'm definitely not gonna say bigger isn't better. Obviously, it does look like you get a bit more in this palette, but it's very, very minimal. Like you only get 3/10 of a gram more in each pan than you do for this one. I got this from either Ulta or Sephora, I really can't remember which, but I'm on the Sephora website right now, and this retails for $45. Because this is a newer product, there really aren't a whole lot of reviews, there's not even 40 of them, and out of those 40, this only has 4 stars, which isn't bad, but I feel like typically their palettes get closer to 5 stars. The lowest rating says this is an overhyped and boring palette, it does not have good texture, it has no pigmentation to it, and it's very, very chalky. Which, unfortunately for a lot of people, also means ashy as fuck. Others are saying this is not even comparable to their other palettes, it's just terrible, very juvenile, and the shades don't go on as true highlighters, like apparently you have to pack this shit on. It's glittery, the glow almost instantly disappears and is replaced with a chalky film. On the opposite end of the spectrum, the 5-star reviews are honestly still kind of critical. Like this person gave it 5 stars, but they say they can't use a lot of these because they're so fucking dark. But then others are saying this whole palette is universal for everyone, like anybody can use any of the shades. The shine is unreal and very powerful, and out of all of their highlighters, this is their favorite palette, so I don't know, it's kind of like a mixed bag. Sephora says this is a collection of full spectrum highlighters with iridescent and metallic finishes. Ooh, does that mean some of these are going to be duochromed? I literally have no idea what this looks like. I didn't even look at it when I ordered it. They also say this palette features 6 shades of Anastasia's buildable metallic luster highlighting formula. Layer them together or wear them separately on the face, eyes, and body. For even more glow, apply them with a damp makeup brush. And of course, this is vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's phthalate-free, and it's sulfate-free. Let's go ahead and see what these little bitches look like, Ooh, those are pretty. But the first thing that I notice is how very, very similar pretty much all of these are to each other. Although on camera they look very fucking different, but in person these two look almost the same to me. And I'm not sure if it's just the way the formula is or maybe it's how they pressed it, but in the pan this looks like very, very chunky glitter. Let me just feel one of these. Ooh, that's actually very, very nice feeling. Not at all chunky. Let's feel it on the hand. Ooh. Ooh, it is duochrome. This one is Sunshine and it has a really pretty like yellow to pink finish. That is so pretty. And from just swatching it, it doesn't seem to be powdery, but then once I kind of rub it in, the shine does diminish and it almost turns into a matte. So maybe it is a little bit powdery, shit. But I don't know if you can see that or not, like the beautiful pink glow that it has to it, like, oh, I love duochromes. My God, I feel like I just gave a prostate exam to a leprechaun. You know what? Today I'm actually gonna switch things up and we're gonna do some live swatches rather than just having my hand in front of the screen, because that way we can all kind of like react together and see how they apply. So let's start with the top row. Ooh, my unicorn actually does feel kind of gritty, but it looks beautiful. And then we have Magic, which is kind of like a weird color to me, like it's green, but it also has a pink shift to it, which is making it kind of brown and gray. Not sure if I like that one, but this is Wish and Unicorn and then Magic. Oh my gosh, those are all really, really fucking pretty. Like, I love the pink shift that all of them have. Like, I am such a fan of neon pink highlighters, so I think I might actually really like this palette. But at least swatching them with like one stroke and not rubbing them in, they're actually really fucking pretty. Like, look at that. Looking closer at them though, they are a little bit on the chunky side, like they're kind of coming off my hand. I don't know if that's because I don't have a primer down or what, but they are a little bit crumbly. Next up we have Ethereal, Sunshine, and Regal, and these honestly do feel a little bit chunky. Like the only ones that didn't feel chunky to me were Wish and Sunshine, but it's strange because when I swatch them, they don't look that chunky. That is Ethereal. Now we have Sunshine, and finally we have Regal. These do look very, very pretty, but when I look at them closely, I kind of do see what they mean by them being powdery. They do have kind of like a talky or chalky undertone to them, or at least Regal does. I don't even know if you'll be able to see that or not, but I mean, still, they're very, very pretty, so I'm kind of excited to use these on my eyes eyes and my face. So before we go ahead and apply any foundation, let me just wipe out the highlighter that I had on before. All right, we are back to my natural glowing state, which is still a little bit glowy. I don't know if you know this, but I am pregnant with Josh Groban's baby. 10 points for you if you know what that's from. And I'm gonna go in with a squirt of liquid primer just to give this the best fighting chance possible. And I guess, should we try all of them? I mean, I guess there's no harm in it. Let's go in with Wish first, which, oh my, that is kind of going everywhere. All right, here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's actually really pretty. And it seems to go with my skin tone like I think it does. And I can see that little pink shift it has to it. Oh my God, I love that. But it is very glittery. Like, there's a shit ton of glitter in my little mustachio and on my beard here. That is not attractive. Nor is my unibrow I have going on. Let's tame that shit. There we go. That's a little bit better. But from a distance, this glow is actually very, very pretty. And it's not like the glitter really, really bugs me. It's not like I have a glitter beard now, but I just don't like glittery highlighters, especially ones that have a lot of fallout. But otherwise, I actually really like this, and I think I'm gonna switch to a different brush just to see if we do have as much glitter fallout. Oh, let's try wiping that shit away. There we go. It's like my face just went through a fucking car wash, but it's off. Next, on a Morphe Fan Brush, let's dip into Unicorn. Oh my God, that did not help at all. This is fucking everywhere. This is so confusing because it's so chunky, but when you swatch it, it's not chunky at all. But do you see like all this fallout just from very, very lightly going in? What is this? Let's see if any of it happened to stick on the brush. Oh, hey there, bitch. Ooh, I really love that. I just wish it weren't so damn messy, but otherwise, I love the neon pink shift that it has. Like, oh, fuck me up. But you know, looking at this closer, it is very, very chunky, and it's not the kind of highlighter that melts into the skin. Maybe if we press it in a little, that kind of helps. But that color though, oh, if I weren't already pregnant, I would be now. Okay, let's get this one off of me, otherwise my pants are gonna be all wet. Also, if you're new to this channel, hi, hello, I'm so happy to have you here, but I do make a lot of sexual jokes, so cover your kids' ears. Or don't, they gotta learn about it somehow. Anyway, next we'll go into Magic, and I did wipe this brush off, so it should be pretty clean. And this shade is no exception. It is messy as fuck. Here we go with the greenish one. Ooh, just as pretty as the other ones, like, oh, and though this is beautiful, I feel like it's getting chunkier and chunkier, like the particles of glitter are getting bigger. I'm scared that once we get to the last shade in here, it's just gonna be pressed craft glitter, which really makes me sad because the glow is definitely there. It's just so fucking chunky. Let's go in with a more defined brush into Ethereal. That actually does seem to be helping with the fallout. Oh, damn! Do you see that glow? That is 100,000 times better. Like, there is no glitter fallout when I use this brush. Like, fuck. This one is definitely way too light for me because you can see, like, a white streak of, like, chalk on my face. But then once I turn, ew. I just love this purpley glow. Like, I feel like Gay Barney right now. But now that we know a more condensed brush is the way to go, let's go in with Sunshine. Oh, that's weird because on the brush, it totally looks yellow. But then once you put it on, it turns to the exact same pink that all the other ones are. That is trippy shit right there, man. Still very pretty, and fortunately, this one is not too light for my skin tone. Like, it actually goes with it. I do very much appreciate the fact that these are all duochromes. I just wish that they changed to different colors. Like, I wish there was like a blue in here, or like a green, or maybe like a red or an orange, anything but pink, but still, I like the pink. And last but not least, we have a Regal, which I'm guessing is probably going to look exactly the same as all the other ones, and yes, but still really damn pretty. I'm so confused with those people who said that this did not glow. Like, that is clearly glowing to the gods. Let me go back in with that first one that we tested that was really fucking glittery and see if this brush will kind of cure the glitter. Oh shit, yes. Okay, so do not use a fan brush with this palette. Do not use a big fluffy brush like this one. Use a more condensed highlighter brush. Using that brush left no glitter behind. This is not a chunky monkey looking highlighter. It is beautiful. So let me go ahead and wipe this off. Let's put on some foundation and do a simple look and use these highlighters and do a wear time test. For foundation, let's go in with a bit of Cover FX Power Play in the shade N35. For concealer, let's try a little bit of Makeup Revolution in the shade C3. Just gonna plaster that shit all over my face like I'm trying to cover up murder. To set under my eyes, I'm gonna go in with some Laura Mercier translucent setting powder sprayed with some setting spray, and I'm gonna use this little tiny cute little nub that I got from one of my amazing subscribers. Like, thank you so much. How adorable is that? For the eye look, I'm actually gonna keep it very simple today because I'm gonna be doing some chores around the house and I might sweat and I don't want shit to get into my eyeballs. So I'm gonna dip into the Life's a Drag palette into Campy, and I'm gonna put that right here on the outside and blend it all along the crease. Oh my god, that color is fucking stunning. The color is like Big Bird meets SpongeBob, but in the most beautiful way possible. And then let's take a little bit of that on the lower lash too. Actually, I'm also gonna smoke out a little bit of orange on the bottom as well. This is Lala from Kat Von D. I'm gonna throw in a nude liner on the bottom lash. And of course, the bitch needs a wing. Oh fuck, I was gonna put some of that highlighter on my eye. Damn it. Okay, before I finish this wing, let's go ahead and put, let's see, should we do some sunshine? Let's try that. I'm gonna take some on my fingers and just kind of dab it on the inner third of my eye. Ooh, that was a very good choice. And I love how it's gold, but it has that pink shift to it. Oh, Dios mío. You probably can't even see it, but there is now glitter all underneath my eye. I probably should have set powder down. Damn, that sucks. Otherwise though, this shit is very pretty. See if I can kind of dust that glitter away. Oh shit, yeah, that comes off easily. And to bring some of that yellow back, I'm just gonna tap on a little bit more of that yellow from Manny's palette. And back to the wing. Shit, my pen is drying out. And for highlighter, what do we think? Should we try some Regal? Oh, shit, yes. Place a little bit right there on the brow bone too. Why the fuck not? Oh, see, but then when you only apply a little bit, it is really chunky and like huge glitter flecks. Huh, I don't know that I'm 100% sold on this yet. For lipstick, let's start with Kat Von D's A Go-Go. And then in the middle of that, I'm gonna dab on a little bit of Jeffree Star's Queen Bee. And here we are with the final product. Nice little summertime look and glow. Other than the few little glitter flecks on my face, I actually really like this. Like, I think it looks beautiful on my cheeks as a highlighter. And then I also think it looks gorgeous on my eyes. Like, this is so pretty to me. But I do want to go ahead and put this to the test because I'm not sure how long it'll last. So let's go ahead and do a wear time test with this. I will see you in just a second. And we are back. We did just hit the 5-hour mark, and I'm pretty sure this shit looks the exact same. There's a fucking fly in here. So damn rude. The highlighter that I put on my eyes is very comfortable. No glitter has fallen out into my eyeballs trying to blind me. Stop flying in front of my camera. I'm gonna kill you. I'm warning. Oh my god. The glow on my face is still popping, but I don't know that it's as strong as it was in the beginning, but still. Oh my god, you're back from the fucking dead. It doesn't really appear to have moved much. Like, it doesn't look like there's glitter all over my face. I think I actually kind of like it. But this has butts. They're not big butts, they're tiny butts, but they're butts nonetheless. I like this palette, but the glitter fallout is real. I'm not sure if the fallout is dependent on the shade or the brush or what shape the moon's in tonight, because sometimes it felt like there was no glitter fallout, but then at some points I felt like a human disco ball. Also, for me at least, these all pretty much look the same, which isn't a huge issue for me because I do really like the finish. I think all but one was noticeably way too light for me and different than the others, but otherwise they all seem to have kind of like a silver to pink shift, and I really like it. Also, these are chunky. Like, they kind of remind me of that highlighter palette that Kat Von D came out with earlier this year, where they're more like pressed glitter than anything. But still, even though they are glittery, I actually kind of like them, which is saying a lot because I typically hate glitter on my face. I'm not sure if darker skin tones would work for this because it does come off kind of on the light side. I think I saw some promo pictures on the Sephora website that featured dark skin, but I don't know if it would actually look like that or not. I do think this is a good product, but if you have the Aurora palette, the pinky shifting ones are pretty much the same as all the ones in here, so I would say if you need one of these, grab one or the other. If you can't stand glitter like at all, stay away from it. If you don't mind a little bit of glitter, then I do recommend it. Oh my god, the fly is taunting me. It is on my camera. So I say if it's something that interests you, then definitely go out and grab it. You probably will not be disappointed, but if you already have this palette, then I say just stick with this. But there you go. Like always, please be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget my newest collection of highlighters, including Black Ice, which does change from black to white, is available at thepopluxe.com. Also, my latest album, Kiss of Fame, is available everywhere online that music is sold. Thank you so much to everyone who's supporting them. Comment down below, let me know what you thought of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. You can follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter at officialnady, and you can follow me online at thepopluxe.com. Thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you again soon. Bye. Oh my god, I'm gonna kill you.